Hey guys, it's your guy Abdrazak Otokiti. Today we'll be looking at day of the week analysis in Excel 2016. So this is the data set that we're going to be working with, and this is a data set of purchase that was made from a particular company. So what we are going to do in this tutorial is that we want to find the number of purchase that was made on a certain day of the week. Let's say, for example, now we want to know the number of purchases that was made on Sunday all through to Saturday. So now to do that, the first thing we'll do is here we press equal to, then we use weekday for it to return the value of this particular date in day. So now once you select the date, then it will return the value of the day. This is the value of the day, which is 1. Then to return the text format of this particular day, now you use the text function. Then you now select the value. Since it is the day that we are looking at, then you now specify the format that you want the day to be. So now the format that we want the day to be is for it to be in full. Then we close the bracket, then we hit enter. So now the particular day that this purchase was made was on Sunday. So now to do same for the remaining data sets, you simply highlight it and double click for it to do same for the remaining data sets. So now you see that on Saturday being the 7th day in a week, a purchase was made. So now for us to count the number of purchases that was made on Monday, you simply use count if function. Then you now select the day of the week, then and anchor it. You anchor it, then you place comma, then select the day. Start selecting the day, then you close the bracket. So now this will count the total number of purchases that was made on that particular day. So now about 271 purchases was made on Monday. So now to do same for the remaining data sets for the remaining day, simply Ctrl+C to copy, then you Ctrl+V to paste the value, to paste the formula for the remaining data set. So now this is it. So now on Monday, the company made 271 purchase. Then on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday 290, Friday 276, Saturday 279, Sunday 285. So now this shows to the company that they made more sales on Tuesday, whereas they made least sales on Monday. So this can help the company to channel any advert that they want to do on the site for their customer to see. So now they can decide to pick on Tuesday, since this is the day that they had more interaction on their website. So now they can do their advert on this particular Tuesday, so that more people will be able to see it. So now this is how you do day of the week analysis in Excel 2016. Thanks for listening. Hope to see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Excel video. Thank you.